What's up legends, your boy Daniel here, back with another video. We got here another month, which means another top 5 best performing companies of this month. All of these companies are tradable on eToro, since we are trading on eToro, which is probably the easiest and best platform for trading. These stocks that I've picked to this list are statistically best performing stocks in month of October. October is a good month for stocks overall, and these stocks tend to do even better than the market, rising at least 74% of the time and producing as much as 8.3% gains on average. Before getting into the best historical October stock performance, stocks as a whole tend to do well in October. Over the last 20 years, the index has moved higher 65% of the time. We are talking about S&P 500. The statistics that I will show are based on the historic monthly opening and closing prices. Therefore, gains or losses within the month may be larger than those disclosed. For example, a statistic may say the biggest rally on a monthly basis was 15%, but during the month the stock could have been up 20%, but it dropped only to finish the month up 15%. Buying at the open and close of the month is also somewhat arbitrary. There are more precise times to take the trade. Focus on the opportunities that align with strategies you are already using. This is only raw data. How you interpret it and what you do with it is up to you. So without any more talking, let's jump on the first stock on our list, which is Cisco Corporation. The price has rallied 22 out of 27 years, or 81%. The average October gain for all years is 4%. In the rising months, the average gain has been 6%. In declining months, the average loss has been 5%. Biggest gain was 14.6% and biggest drop was 14.4%. Cisco is pretty solid and pretty safe company. I've been trading this company when the crash happened, but I sold it somewhere around the 70, 72, 73, and as we can see right now on the graph, we get some major breakout right here. Actually, most of the recovery stocks are today doing quite well. When we look at Europe, this is out of the context, but when we look at Europe, the airlines 5%, Rolls-Royce 10%, cinemas 10%, it's crazy. So this might be actually, if the October will be the breakout month for the recovery stocks, Cisco will be very good play to take. The stock number 2, Automatic Data Processing, or ADP. The price has rallied 22 out of 27 years, or 81%. The average October gain for all years is 4%. In the rising months, the average gain has been 6%. In declining months, the average loss has been 5.5%. Biggest gain was 22% and the biggest drop was 18%. This one is actually one of those companies that I'm closely looking at. It looks like I have some problem with trading views, so let's check it on eToro. When we look at the stats, yeah, when we look at the max, pretty solid growth. I mean, we've been going just up. EPS 6, revenue 15 billions, market cap 85 billions, P ratio quite kind of high, 33, but it's working already, nice. Yeah, I mean, when we look at the quick support, just the one quick support, maybe this can be the good position under 200 to buy the ADP, and I'm gonna look for the 200 for this company, and I'll probably buy some shares of this company. Okay, so the stock number 3. Oh, this is quite interesting. Vodafone Group. The price rallied 21 out of 27 years, or 78%. The average October gain for all years is almost 6%, which is really cool. In the rising months, the average gain has been 8.8%. In declining months, the average loss was 4.3%. The biggest gain was 24% and the biggest drop was 12%. This is the company that I'm not that much interested in, and I know it is on our list, but as I've said, it's just statistic, guys. Let me make a really fast support here. 15.70 may be a really good price to buy. We haven't been under that price for quite some time, so that might be a really good price to buy for October. Okay guys, the stock number 4 on our list, Gap. The price has rallied 21 out of 27 years, or to 78%. The average October gain was 6%. In the rising months, it's been almost 10%. In declining months, the loss was almost 8%. The biggest gain was 28% and the biggest drop was 26%, so this is a really volatile stock. There has been time when I wanted to trade Gap, to be honest. It's been when the pandemic began, but since then, in my opinion, it's too high. It's still too high. Maybe this level under 25 is not that bad to buy. Okay, maybe around 20, but I'm not sure it's gonna drop to 20 real soon, so the 22 level might be good. 22 level might be quite good for this company if you want to play like like really safe, then 20 is the rounded nice number, and I believe that we are not gonna even hit it, and if we do, it's gonna be bought up right back, so pretty good for trade. And the last but not least, LSK Air Group. Price has already 21 out of 27 years, or 78%. The average October gain was 7% in the rising months, 10% in declining months. The loss was -4%. The biggest gain was 25%, and the biggest drop was 7%. Well, this might be a really good play if this is really beginning, because the recovery stock's been beaten down for months now, for months in a row. And look, 2.2% just today. And if this is the beginning of breakout for the recovery stocks, I'm gonna make a video about it real soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and get ready for that if you want to make money on the stock market, ladies and gentlemen. So this might be a very interesting play. Yeah, we can see the breakup here, 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row with green candle. This means like this is a really strong breakup right here, so I wouldn't consider, I would buy just now. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row are a pretty strong sign of breakout, which means uptrend. I would buy it probably now until it hits 63.5, or you can wait for a little drop around 60. That might be good positions to buy. So as I said, guys, this is just the raw data. What you do with it is up to you. All traders are encouraged to do their own research and apply their own strategies if utilizing these statistics. Each stock has a different risk profile. While the average gain statistic is a key metric, it doesn't tell the whole story. Making 7% may seem attractive, but when looking at the volatility, it may be more than you are willing to handle. Therefore, look at the all data when deciding what to trade. Also, apply other technical and fundamental metrics to help zero in on exact entry and exit points, okay? Guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I am back, stronger than ever. We're gonna smash it. We are near that 60,000 on our account on eToro, which is amazing. That's great. If you want to join our group on eToro, I've made a lot of changes. I've been really inactive on social media lately, but I'm back. I'm gonna let you know what happened. As you can see, we are heavily back in crypto. 17% of our money is invested in crypto, then 10% in Google, then 6% in realty income. Like, what the hell is going on, Daniel? We reduced our portfolio to 36 companies, and I'm gonna reduce it even more. I'm gonna tell you all about it. So ladies and gentlemen, this may be the new beginning of this channel, of this journey. If you want to take a part, come and join. Links are down below, and see you next time. Peace.